In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to upgrade your account plan. Let's get started. To begin, log into your account and navigate to the My Account tab under your profile in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find all the necessary options to manage your account details. Once you're on the Account Details page, locate the Plan Management section. This is where you can manage various aspects of your subscription. You will now see our available plan options. Once you've made your decision, click on the desired plan. You will be redirected to the payment page. You can either add a new form of payment here or use your existing payment method. If you have a coupon code, proceed to input the coupon code. Once satisfied with your payment method, click on Subscribe to complete the upgrade process. And that's it. You can now enjoy the enhanced features and benefits offered by your new plan.